Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton, located on 111th Ave and 170th Street. We're looking at an RX 350 F Sport Series 3 package in Grecian water. This is a 3.5 liter V6 8-speed automatic, all-wheel drive with 295 horsepower. We have windshield wiper de-icer and headlamp washers, F Sport grille, an upgrade to a premium LED headlamp, LED cornering lamps and fog lamps, and a 20-inch F Sport alloy wheel. This F Sport Series 3 package is shown in black leather with white stitching. Both the driver and passenger seat are 10-way power. We have automatic high beam, power back gate, heads-up display, heated steering wheel, panoramic view, and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel. At the interior, we have our power windows, locks and side view mirrors are power folding, power adjusting, and auto dimming with 3 seat saving settings. We have our paddle shifters, audio controls and hands-free communication, and our driver controls with our driver information display. This is where we can see our fuel economy, kilometers till empty, eco indicator, G-force, tire pressure, compass, audio, and messaging, and the Lexus Safety System 2.0. This year that includes pre-collision system with pedestrian and bicycle detection, low light, dynamic radar cruise control, all speed, lane tracing assist, automatic high beam. We also have blind spot monitoring. Push button ignition, dual climate control. Both the side view mirror and the rear window are heated defrost. And both the driver and passenger seats are heated and ventilated with 3 temperature settings. We have a wireless cell charger underneath and 2 USB ports. Audio this year includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with AM/FM radio, Sirius Satellite, CD, and MP3. We have drive mode select options giving us Eco, Normal, and Sport with Sport Plus, adaptive variable suspension, and all-wheel drive lock, and a trackpad to control the 12.3-inch LCD display with Lexus navigation, split screen view, N-Form apps, backup camera, and panoramic view. This is all sides. Bottom left corner we can switch that to bird's eye. The rear view mirror is power auto dimming with 3 garage door openers. We've touched to swipe lights and panoramic moonroof. At the rear of the vehicle, we see aluminum roof rails, rear spoiler and wiper tucked underneath, rear privacy glass, LED rear combination lamps, F Sport badging, sensors with intelligent parking assist, rear cross traffic braking and rear cross traffic alert, and backup camera tucked underneath the Lexus symbol. Multiple points of entry into the cargo space with your key fob remote, power trunk release at the driver's side, kick sensor, and manual. In the cargo space, we see a sunshade to protect your belongings. This is removable. Tie down anchor points along the side walls. Speaker at the rear. Hook for bags, illumination, and power outlet. And the seats are power folding at the rear, 60/40. With power return. And underneath the floorboard, we see the spare and additional cargo space. At the passenger side of the vehicle, we see the handles are underlit. We have 10 airbags throughout, Passengers enjoying an upgrade to a 15-speaker Mark Levinson premium audio system. Power windows. Rear heated seats with 3 temperature settings. 2 USB ports. Cup holders in the armrest. Storage. Child seat anchor points are within the seats and in behind. And with rear power folding seats. So come and see us at Lexus of Edmonton on 170th Street. Explore our inventory. Take a test drive with one of our Lexus professionals. Save on your purchase and drive home a Lexus today.